Get ready, friends. We are going to make a carrot out of this jar. Hey, everybody. It's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, friends, I know this is out there. I understand, but bear with me because it might spark a cool idea for you. So I started with this jar from Olives, and you wash it off and all the things. And then I have some canvas drop cloth, and you want to cut it enough so that it'll cover the circumference of your lid. Then I had some pesto chalk paint, and I watered it down really heavily, and then I put our drop cloth in it. Perfect, right? And yes, friends, I am saving the excess. Then I'm going to take some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm going to put a few drops of yellow food coloring and a few drops of red, and we're going to mix it. Okay, now we're going to use a dauber, and we're going to dab all over our jar. Friends, holy Toledo. Yes, it's washable after. Yes, you just have to let it dry for 24 hours. If you want it to dishwash it, then you have to wait 28 days. But look at how cool. We just tinted a jar and we didn't have to bake it. I know. All right, so once our fabric is dry, then I'm going to cut little strings off on it, and then I'm going to rub it between my hands because it makes it all fringy. Look at how cool it is. Ah! All right, so then we're going to put some glue on our lid, and we're going to glue the lid to our drop cloth what's the word? We died. Words are so hard. All right, so here it is. I have glue on it, and I'm then going to just keep putting glue on my lid, and I'm just going to roll right on the edge of our drop cloth. So see how we do this? And because I like having that fringy frayed edge on the lid as well. If you don't like the fringe, like that frayed edge thing, then just cut it and don't rub it between your hands. And you might even fold in the edge when you go to do this part. But I like the distressed vibe, so I'm going to do it. So we're going to go all the way around. And I did cut mine too big, and that's okay because we're just going to overlap it. It's not a big deal. This is the kind of thing that any craft I do, you got to know this about me. Any craft I do, there's no like, oops, this isn't usable now. No. Everything I do is like, that's okay. We'll fix it. All right, so there's that. Perfect. Then I take a piece of jute, and I'm just going to tie it as close to the lid as I can, but I'm not getting crazy. And I tied mine in a bow because I thought it looked cute. Then we're going to see, we're going to see, it's a carrot. It's a carrot. But I did want to trim the edges just a little bit, just so that they stood up more. Now, I do have some fairy lights, and you can tape the fairy lights with double-sided tape and quit it right now. Look at how cute that is, right? Wait, look at it at night. What? It's so pretty. But you could put candy in it. Like, look, I have chocolate kisses in this one. You could put buttons in it. You could put paper clips. You could put jelly beans, whatever you want. But it is adorable, and it's perfect for spring decor. I'm just saying. I know, though, that it's out there. But I'm just wondering, this could be a super cool idea for somebody. So if this isn't for you, think outside the box and think, how could you use it? Just saying. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.